Okay guys, this is the daily cipher morse code for today. First you want to do is to switch to the daily cipher mode by pressing the button on the top of the interface. So second thing you will need to keep the code for today is the international morse code, which can be downloaded in Google. If you are a beginner here, if you want to put a dot is a tab, if you want to a dash is hold. So let's move on to international morse code and daily cipher morse code for today. So see the international morse code, which is represented in dot and dash. As I told you, a beginner is a tab and a dash and a code for a dash and dot. Okay, so the international morse code for today is DAG, which is spelled DAG. So move to the cipher for today is DAG, which is DAG. So move to international morse code. So we'll look for D, which is dash dot dot. We'll go to dash dot dot. Yes, I've gotten D. So we'll look for A, which is dot and dash. Dot and dash A. So last letter is G, which is dash dash dot dash dash dot. As you can see, I worked my daily combo, my daily sci-fi must go for today. So look to my last video. I get your daily combo card. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos, because every day I provide you with videos on daily combo and daily sci-fi most code for today and Hampster Kombat and every other day.